This is Jeff from Cheyenne Camping Center. Today we're going to talk about roof inspections and maintenance. Seals can break down over time, allowing water to seep in. This can cause damage, resulting in expensive repairs. Let's go up and take a look. So what should you be looking for when inspecting your roof? I want you to pay close attention to the condition of the caulking and sealant around the vents, skylight, antenna, and front cap. We're looking for cracks, gaps, any signs of wear that could potentially let water in. Additionally, check for any damage or puncture to the roof membrane itself. This will obviously lead to water damage as well. Here's a Jeff tip. I do not recommend parking your RV under or around trees. Trees produce a lot more debris than you might actually think. When you park under trees, you're inviting more issues such as branches falling on your unit, tree branches possibly tearing the roof material. It's one of the largest repairs we have, and very common. By taking a few extra minutes to inspect your RV roof every season, you can save yourself from some costly repairs and keep your RV in good condition.